everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we're going to do a packaging video, and this video is going to be in two places. It's going to be on TikTok and on YouTube, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are doing a packaging video. So I sold a set of 8 chair socks. I will put a link in the description for those of you from YouTube. I'll put a link in the description for the chair socks. And for those of you for TikTok, you can go to my bio to find the link to my Etsy store to get to the chair socks. Whoa, that was effort. Okay, so what I do when I do my packaging is I always want to make sure that my customers know what I use to make the item. So today's item is chair socks. It's made with acrylic yarn. So I made this thing up, and it just says that it's made with 100% acrylic yarn, and it has the care directions. So I always make sure that goes in the package. And then anytime I sell something, I also try and include a little something extra. So I always try and add something extra. And for us today, because I don't have anything extra really to go with the chair sock, like for my dog sweaters, I try and do a little dog toy. Or if it's a cat sweater, I send a little cat toy. If it's a Barbie item, I'll send a little cute Barbie hanger that I've made. Whatever the case might be, I try and add some kind of little giveaway with all of my orders. So chair socks doesn't really have anything that it goes with. I'm not going to send them a chair. That would be weird. So I do a little coupon. So I do the coupon code, and I also include that in my packaging. Then I am from Canada, and we pay just a truckload of money for shipping. I think from the different things I've watched on TikTok and YouTube, it seems like a lot of people pay way cheaper shipping prices than we do with Canada Post. So in order to get around that and to offer my customers free shipping, I put most of my things in envelopes and I squish them down, even if I have to use my vacuum sealer, whatever the case may be. I do it so that it will go for an envelope price. So the other thing I want to do is I want to decorate my envelope. So I've made these cute little stickers. They're crochet themed. Thank you stickers. I'll put a link for these in the description for those YouTube people. And for the TikTok people, again, go to my Etsy link in the bio, and you can go to the store and find the stickers in my Etsy store. So I always try and decorate the envelope a little bit, give a little thank you. I personally don't like it when I get 14,000 things in a package for something I ordered. I usually just huck it to the side. So this way I can say thank you, but it's not another piece of some paper or whatever in the item. Then I address it. I splurged and got myself a little stamp from Staples so I can put my address. And then I mail it. And that's all there is to it, guys. So thanks so much for watching. And thank you to all those people that support my small business. It really helps out. And if you're a TikTok person watching this, you just liking and sharing this video, even if you just go into it and hit the copy link as if you're going to share it and then never get around to it, that helps me grow my influence as well. So thank you so much for helping me grow my channel, my business, my TikTok viewers. You guys have been awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.